The cave, it's an endless cave, that this one that you're seeing right now. Yes, this is a cave. It really goes deep, and it goes a very, very long. Guys, there's more to Domboshava Caves. As you can see, we can go on and on and on, showing you beautiful stuff. Yes. You see? Welcome to the cave yard. Yes. Right. Guys, this is the cave yard. You see? Come on. Yeah? Show them the bush. Yes. Guys. Wow. This place is amazing, guys. I'm not yet there, but I'm already in the spirit. Yes. Wow. We are almost there, but you're actually going to see. We are going to see the good things inside there. Yes. Come, show them. So yeah, you can also see kettles and stuff. This is Domboshava. So you guys, if you need to have your party, some private parties and stuff, these are lodges and bars. So you can actually get inside and see. Right. Guys. The cave, I say. So we really encourage more people to visit, to just go out for a weekend, go party, go have something that is so exciting out there. We really encourage those things. So yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, this is so nice. Right, guys, yes, we are now going up the mountain, yes. Right, yes, guys, so The caveat is, yeah, here they call it caveat. So it's actually a nice place to go. We're now climbing the mountain. You see, the mountain is, it's not that steep. So even if you have kids, like the small ones, or you think you are aged or something like that, yes, even people with disabilities, they can actually climb the mountain, because you see there are arrows. These are the arrows that we are just to follow. So we follow the arrows till we reach the place. Yeah. So we are going to explore. We're going to explore the whole mountain.
Hey guys, we are here at the cave.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go see the top of the mountain. This is a cool place to be, especially when we couple. It's so fun here. It's so fun, guys. Just look at this place. It's so cool. Hey guys, we are continuing to climb the mountain till we reach the cave. So follow me. This is a cool place, guys. The mountain is so nice. Beautiful rocks there. There are other couples there. You should also bring your family. As you can see, the other families here. And those who are old, you can also come. As you can see, we are old people here. They're also enjoying.
Look at that rock, how it's really coming up. Yes. Citizen go. Bro. How are my levels? So how are you enjoying my cave? Kwa camera set. Kuribo. So ndeipi message yamuda kuudza to those people vasatamboska kuma caves kuti vakuda kuuya kuma caves.
Ndingangoti guys, uyai kuma caves mumboonawo zviripo, mumbotamba nemarudzi enyu kana nemafamilies.
Yes.
It's really cool out there.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks a lot, brother. Nice, have a nice day. Sharp. Yes, guys, follow me. Let's go. Right now, we are almost there. We are climbing. It's a very, very good experience. You with your family, even you can arrange parties. Those who just graduated, graduation parties, you can host them here. Like you are allowed to. So it's not like you will be restricted in something like that. No, yeah.
We have reached the top of the mountain. This is the place. You can see how cool it is. How cool the rocks are. It's so cool out here.
Guys, yes, this is the place. Come and see. Right. Domboshava Caves. Hey, We are exploring. This is the adventurous and exploration channel of Decent. Right, guys, you deserve to live like this. Hey, at this time, allow me to say welcome to Domboshava Caves. Guys, this is so amazing. It's scary. It's so good. Wow. I wish if someone was seeing what you're actually seeing on the camera is, guys, see, you're actually looking at a bit of what you'll be seeing if you come here. Yes. Wow. That's amazing. Explore. Look at how things are. The natural beauty of Zimbabwe is beyond what people actually expect it to be. Guys, this is so cool. Come on, come and see. So if you haven't been at the caves before, guys, listen, you are missing out big. This is a very, very cool place that you need to be at any given point. Actually, look at the scenery. We are approaching cave yard right now, and you can actually see, if we say something, there are echoes. Echoes will be coming back to you. This is so amazing, guys. So I don't want you to miss a lot. You see? Yes. Guys. Domboshava Caves. At this point I'm really tired, but I'm feeling more energetic as I'm reaching out this way. So as you are seeing this, there's a fence where you're not allowed to cross this fence because they say that it's a very, very sacred place. So if you cross, you might encounter something in there. So this is the cave. It's an endless cave, this one that you're seeing right now. Yes, this is a cave. It really goes deep and it goes a very, very long way. So yeah, it said that the ancestors used to stay here. As you can see, if it's raining, you won't really get rain because it's more of a house. I'm literally vlogging right now and I'm inside the rock. I'm inside the cave. This is my top. There's no rain that will actually reach me, and worse enough if I get inside this fence that you are seeing, because there's a larger distance between the fence and where the rock ends. Come here, come and see, guys, come and see. Right, yes, the cave is actually cool. It's a very, very nice place. Wow, and you can see there are trees. The leaves are actually evergreen leaves, but you're in a mountain. I wonder where the water comes from, but I'm sure if we'll be having one specialist who will be telling us why are the leaves so green and we're on top of the mountain. Guys, yes, it really means something. I like this place. Watch, see it. This is the place, guys. Yes. Wow. Hey guys, welcome to Domboshava Rock Cave. This is the Domboshava Caves, right? So guys, we encourage you all to make sure that you visit Domboshava because it's such a nice place. Domboshava is located at the northwest part of Harare, which is a city in Zimbabwe, which is Mash East District. Yes, we are in the Mashonaland East Province of Zimbabwe, right? Yes, we are promoting tourism, domestic and international. Domboshava is such a very cool place with mountains, with caves. So right now we are at Domboshava Cave. This is the cave, the main cave that our ancestors used to stay, and also they used to make fire so that they can stay warm in here. So it's actually a beautiful place. Yes, you can stay here for years without getting any single raindrop reaching you because the cave is actually it's really caved at the top. Show them the top of the cave. Yes, you see. So if you are here, you won't really get rain. So it's really fenced because they don't want you to get inside there because it's a sacred place. You can get lost. Anyways, guys, this is the place that you all need to come visit, see and enjoy, right? Yes, guys, next time. Guys, there's more to Domboshava Caves. As you can see, we can go on showing you beautiful stuff, beautiful rocks, natural beauty. But right now, because of time, we have to end this video and we'll show you another part. Yes, of course we need part 2 of this because it's so amazing. Yeah, that's it guys. Next time